All right, the drink we're about to make is called a Flaming Spanish Fly. And this is how we're going to make it. We're going to take a cup of coffee and 1 ounce of tequila. So measure out an ounce of tequila. Go ahead and pour that in. Also 1 ounce of Kahlua. All right. Next we're going to add some coarse sugar. And however much sugar you like in your coffee, that's how much I would suggest to throw in there. Whoa! Hey! I had an interesting reaction. And now we're going to go ahead and stir that up a little bit. Not too much, though. Just get everything blended together. All right. This is fun. And now we will add some 151. Just go ahead and float that on top there. Now, set it on fire with a match or a lighter, and go ahead and extinguish the flames after, well, whenever you're ready, with some whipped cream. And let's give you a close-up look of that. That is a Flaming Spanish Fly. Bottoms up.